In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your Samsung Galaxy phone in the recovery screen. It's a very easy Android tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, entering the recovery mode screen is a necessary step for clearing system cache or performing a factory reset if your device is experiencing software issues. So for modern Samsung devices, you've got to be connected to a power source or a computer via USB for this to work. So turn your phone completely off, and you can just do that by swiping down in the top right, pressing the power button, and then going and pressing power off. Then plug your phone into a PC or your charger using a USB-C cable. Then press and hold the volume up button and the power button together at the same time, and then only release when the Samsung logo appears, but continue holding the volume up until the recovery menu appears. So only release the power button when you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, but keep holding the volume up button. Then you're going to see a black screen with yellow or blue text, and that's going to be the recovery screen. And to move up and down, you're going to have to use the volume up and down buttons. And if you want to select something or confirm something, press the power button. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.